Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel, where we are discussing the TenKei Total Profit Target EA or Expert Advisor. Just going to say this EA or Expert Advisor is excellent, but how would you know that? Not unless and not until you try it, test it out for yourself. But we were covering various aspects. We've already covered the total profit target here, the total stop loss here, in how to use the TenKei total profit target part 1, how to use the TenKei total profit target part 2, and how to use the TenKei total profit target part 3 revised. Actually, I should have said revised in the other two parts, because this is a remake or a re-record of what we had before, but we just didn't like the recording. Sound recording wasn't that good. But here, so if you want to know what these are all about, check out part 3 revised, part 2 revised, because we are here on, part 1 revised, part 2 revised, because we are here on part 3 revised. Auto trading time, what does that mean? Auto trading time means it's the automatic time that the actual system will switch on based on using auto trading. So that means when you are using the auto trading function, or if you at least you want the markets or your EA to switch on automatically, you don't do anything about this, but by using this EA, switching this to whatever time you wish, i.e. 7 a.m., it will switch on at 7 a.m. Now, the total profit target, the TenKei TPT, is a standalone program. It can be used by itself. It can be used with another EA, such as this one here. It can be used with your own EA, or it can be used without an EA. So let's just close this down a minute. Remember, we're not going to close it here. We'll close it here. We can actually take this away, take that chart away altogether, and these as well, hidden in the background, everything. We can call up any other chart that you want. Could be any market. As you can see here, you've got the US, which is the Dow or Wall Street. You've got the cable dollar down here. You can call up any market you want, and you can trade the 10K total profit target with that. So it doesn't have to be with our EA. It can be your EA or any market you wish without an EA. An EA is an expert advisor. So the auto trading time here can be changed to any time you wish. It can be changed to 23:30, which is half 11 in PM, 11:30 PM, which would be set for starting to trade the Forex, for instance, because the Forex is a 24-hour market. It runs 5 days a week, from Monday to Friday, 9 PM, I believe, and then of course Saturday and Sunday it's closed. So you can change this to any time you want. We tend to start the system, we're not even here actually most of the time, but the system starts itself up at 7 a.m. Now the 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. start, we do like the 8 a.m. start, which is the European Open for the FTSE, and you could say around the DAX, but the DAX actually opens 3 minutes past 8. But at 7 a.m. when trading the DAX, things are already happening. So we've switched back to wanting to trade and start trading at 7 a.m. We shall explain more about that in another video. So make sure you do subscribe so you can find out how to use this EA and learn more about the markets itself. But that's it. So the auto trading time is set by you. If you are trading the DAX and following our lead on the DAX, which is a GER30, leave it at 7 a.m. Now, if you are only using, once again, the 10K total profit target, 7 a.m. means the 10K total profit target, or the TPT, will open and start at 7 a.m. but no trades can be placed, because if you're using this as a standalone program, you'll need to do your trades or place your trades manually. But remember, if you have an EA, let's call this one back up over here. Where are we? Let's close this here and call this back up. If you have an EA which has a setting in itself, where a start time. Once your EA over here starts, so if this is set for 7 a.m. and your EA is set for 7 a.m., of course, the markets or your trades will start, it will start looking for trades from 7 a.m. Do you get that? Do you understand that? If you do not, please don't hesitate to contact us on info@tenkei.co.uk. We'll answer any questions. Or, alternatively, if you have any questions you'd like us to put forth on video in recordings, we can, because it means if you have that question, somebody else will most likely have that question. Thanks. We shall return and we shall be discussing use profit lock-in. Thank you.